Khachkar has a unique theology to it as well. They are not just beautiful art. If you notice, Khachkar has different parts to it. The bottom part, very often you see it has a sign of eternity and kind of this round shape to it. There are two meanings. One of them is a sign of eternity. The other one, this is the earth. And all these ornaments you see on it, these are the people living on this earth. The second and probably most important part, most visible at this part of the khachkar, is the cross itself. You can see the cross and beautiful, the size, the wings and all of that. So that's the second and important part of the khachkar. And it symbolizes the crucifixion of Christ. Of course, cross and crucifixion. Remember the earth, people living on that earth, and then crucifixion. This is the second part. And the top part of the khachkar, the top of the khachkar, is what's known as the crown of the khachkar. And crown usually is a symbol of kingdom. And why do you think, what does it symbolize, the kingdom? And very often you see Christ actually not on the cross, or not on the second part, but actually sitting on the throne, on this kingdom. And it symbolizes, the crown symbolizes the kingdom of God. So people on the earth, through the crucifixion of Christ, through his sacrifice, are connected to the kingdom of God, have a chance to go to the kingdom of God. So this three-part theology is presented in khachkar. People, the earth, crucifixion of Christ, his salvation, his sacrifice, and then the kingdom, the crown on top of the khachkar. So that's the theology of this beautiful khachkar. One of the Armenian monks, Mkhitargosh, who's well-known writer, and he wrote a book of constitution kind of Armenia, a book of rules and laws. He was known for that. He was kind of a lawyer, if you will. He wrote that like the Greeks, they have icons. Armenians, we have khachkars. So icons for Greeks, how important they are for Greeks, right? Similarly, khachkars are that important to Armenians and to Armenian people. And as they have their theology very often represented in their icons, we have our theology of salvation. It's not ours. We didn't invent that. It's our Christian theology represented in these khachkars.